Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams I do on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound yen, I think that it's extremely clear. I think the clarity is on the monthly time frame. I think this is very clearly a 1, 2, 3. I think that we're currently in an ABC of 4, and I think eventually it will go back up for that wave 5, just to complete the pattern that started way back here in early 2020. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is a wave A. I still think this is 1, 2, 3 waves up for a wave B. And I still think that it's more likely to go down for a C, probably at least to the 50% before we make that final attempt up for the wave 5. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think the A ends here. I think this is an A up ending right there, and then this is like an expanding ABC correction, like expanding flat type pattern for an ABC of B. And now I think we are in an uptrend, which I still am targeting the 138, 123 Fibonacci extension to finish off this wave C of wave B. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, the market was definitely very sideways for quite a while now, over the last couple of weeks. But one thing to notice is that it never did break structure to the downside. The trend has definitely been up, really, ever since we broke structure to the upside way back here about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks ago. The trend has been up for about 5 weeks now, and if you were doing nothing but looking for logs at the end of every single one of these pullbacks, you would have had a dramatic increase in your trading account by now. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retraced on this last move up because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways up, and we do have a break of structure to the downside. But you will notice that it looks like it made 1, 2, 3 waves down. It looks like it gave us another Fibonacci bounce and another engulfing move to the upside at a Fibonacci level. That was a beautiful opportunity to go long, and because the trend is up, I definitely would have been looking for nothing but longs on these sort of time frames. Now, the higher time frames, like the 4 hour, has definitely been ranging for quite a while now. So maybe it could continue to range. Maybe it won't continue up from here. But even if it doesn't continue up from here, I definitely would do nothing still except for look for longs at the end of every single pullback I see, especially 3 wave pullbacks on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.